Hi, I'm Amy Snell, also known as the Devious Knitter, and in this video I'm going to show you two unusual stitches that we use in the Lorelei's Looking Glass pattern, the slip front knit back and the knit front slip back. First, the knit front slip back. We knit into the front of our target stitch. Then, before taking it off the left needle, we bring the right needle tip around behind the front leg, inserting it into the remaining stitch so that we can slip that back leg. Next, the slip front knit back. First, we start to slip the stitch as if to purl. Then, before taking the stitch off the left needle, we bring that right needle tip around and knit into the back leg of the stitch. Both stitches have created an increase, and both of these increases should be knit through the back leg on the next row when we return to them. This is what this looks like. When I return on the next row, this stitch is knit normally, but my increase stitch is open at the base, and I want to close that up, so I knit through its back leg. That twists the stitch and closes it up nicely. Here again, I've got this increase that's open at the bottom, so I'm going to knit into its back leg to twist it and close it up.